Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion remote battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your remote. Press this button to release the physical key, then pull the key out. This reveals a small slot, which is your entry point to the battery compartment. Now, with the key removed, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot you just exposed. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You'll feel the two halves of the remote begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, but usually a single twist is enough to pop it open. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the remote is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery, then place your new CR2032 battery into the slot, making sure the positive side is oriented exactly as the old one was. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your Ford Fusion remote. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Reinsert your physical key back into its slot. Now, test your remote's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals or need new socks, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and more. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.